Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the surface deform and modifier. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a cylinder, a cylinder and skeleton z-axis, and I'm going to put a plane here, and I can rotate it in x-axis to the 90-degree. If it didn't work, you can come to here and put this x rotation to the 90. Okay, now I'm going to scale it a little bit and scale it in the z-axis. And what I'm going to do, I'm going which one I want to be affected. I want the cylinder to be affected. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to modify properties. I'm going to add a modifier. So where is it? It's here, surface deform. Okay, like this, and I will select the target. I'll select the target, and what I'm going to say, we can give it a strength. Let's see and test the both. If I give this one, let me put this one and put the strength on 3, let's say, and I'm going to bend this, and I'm going to bend this. So for example, if I open this, I select this, and you see when I move it, it's moving like this. Okay, you see, and something like this happened. Okay, so I'm going to here, and I'm going to take a copy from this, and I'm going to unbend it, and I'm going to show you on this. Okay, so what about this? We are going to show you on this how the strength will affect. You see, it's a little bit strength. Okay, so I'm coming to this, and let's see. I'm going to put a modifier, the surface deform, and I'm going to give this a subdivide. I'm going to subdivide it from here. Let me something like this, and I'm going to give this one maybe 3 strength, and I'm giving this one, and let's bend it, and let's see what can we do. For example, if I select this, I can move this one like this. Okay, so if you couldn't see the others, you can Alt Z and select them and move them like this. Okay, like this, and Alt Z. Let me see, and Alt Z, and something like this happened. Why it didn't change from this side when I brought it to here? Because it's in x-axis. The plane is in x-axis. It's directing the x-axis. You see? I mean, it's direct. It's on the x-axis, and this is the plane. Okay, I hope you get it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I can Alt Z and move it like this from x-axis. We can move it from x-axis, and let's see. We can right now Control A or apply it. I will Control A it, and it will be applied. I'm going to delete this, and something like this happened. Same things for this, for these, and delete. Something like this could be achieved. Control A, delete, and okay. So I hope this video was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.